in Capgemini. I'm sorry, are you recording this as well? Okay. So I worked at Capgemini. I also worked at Mr. Cooper. It's a banking correlated company in the US. So I've done there and Caliber. So in all these companies, I worked as a project manager. And until recently, that is during COVID time, I took a little break from work because I had to take care of my kids, and it was a lot crazy at that time. So that break got a little extended, and now I just thought, let me get back. And I spoke with Sridhar, and Sridhar suggested, why don't you try Salesforce? And Sridhar did mention about Salesforce CPQ, which I did a little bit of research, and I felt it very interesting. I found it very interesting. And then that's when he recommended me to take an initial course with you. And here I am.
So Salesforce experience, how much you have? Like any experience?
I haven't done any Salesforce functional.
Like a basics also, like admin stuff.
Not really, but I think I can catch up with it. So
Yeah.
that's the reason I have this call to understand what it is. If I'm able to understand, the concepts of CPQ, I know that, having admin related experience really helps, but I wanted to know, if I can take this or not. So that's why I wanted to have this initial session to see how it works and all that.
So as you said, you don't have any Salesforce knowledge. We can start from scratch. This is a demo session. So I will try to explain everything what will happen in real-time scenarios, and I will explain about the configuration, price, and etc.
Sure.
So
And yeah,
yes,
go ahead.
yes, you were saying something.
And can we also touch base on CPQ as well? Just a few highlights on how on that as well. That would really help me.
Yes, I will explain CPQ mostly. If you need to understand CPQ, you need to learn Salesforce first. So that's why I will explain the fundamentals, like a basics only. It will take 10 minutes roughly.
Okay.
Then we will jump to CPQ.
Sure.
Okay. So Salesforce is Salesforce is a website. So here all companies will work like in Salesforce. We have Sales Cloud, Service, Marketing, CPQ, Community, B2B, Commerce, Paradox, and etc. So it's a combination of different clouds. So if your organization want to say fully sales prospective, you can go for Sales Cloud. If your organization or tickets are depend on case object like that, you can go for Service Object. Your task is completely on promoting items, promoting products like that, you can go for Marketing. And if your task is completely for creating bundles, creating products like that, you can go for CPQ. This is a pages, community pages, these digital experience pages. B2B commerce is the same, commerce pages, and Paradigm is the integration stuff. So Salesforce is a combination of different clouds. Everyone knows Salesforce is a free service. Like it will, when you purchase licenses with for organization, it will include sales, service, CPQ is also free, and community. These 2-3 clouds are free. For marketing, you need to buy licenses extra, and commerce cloud, you need to buy licenses extra. So in Salesforce, normally, sorry, in sales cloud, normally outside we will go to DMart, we go to some uh, mobile shops like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
What will happen there? Customer will come, leads. um,
Mm-hmm.
we have a one second. We have a company. We want to promote this company as a world, India wide, like a city wide, state wide. So for developing this company, developing this company, we need to promote ourselves, right?
Mm-hmm.
We need to promote ourselves, like a banners, hoardings, like the hoardings, offers, etc. Will go for will create a promotion. When after creating promotions, some people are interested. They might be purchased in next minute. They might be purchased on next week, next month, next year, like that, but they are interested to purchase. So um, after the promotions, we can get lead means customer name, number, and address, company name, like that.
Mm-hmm.
For individual we can get a customer name, phone number, address, but um, uh, in software we can get a company name, like that, because they will purchase 100 to 200, 300, like that, three digit numbers, right? More than. So that's why we will get a company name and company address, like that. So after getting leads, some people are interested to buy next week or next month, like ASAP. So the lead will be converted. We need to convert lead into account, contact, opportunity. Account is account means collection of customer data. Contact is collection of customer phone number. This is a company details.
Mm-hmm.
Company details, we can say. This is customer individual number, individual names, individual numbers or details, you can say. Opportunity means in we promoted Realme 5G phone. Realme 5G phone. So some Amazon company are interested. Some Amazon company interested. They want to purchase 150 Realme phones. They want to purchase 150 Realme phones. So they want to apply next Friday, next Monday, like next Monday, uh, 5th September 2020. So this is um, they are interested, right? So we will create a this lead into, we will would be Amazon. We can fill the Amazon details like address, phone number, etc. It will go to account object. For contact object, um, direct Amazon founder won't come, right? Some HR, like that, any specific person will come, right? So I will mention my name. So contact person, my name, and my number, um, and opportunity 150 phones, like that. Opportunity product details. So till now, what we have done, sales prospect. So company, we're from company side, right? Amazon prospective side. So I'm expecting 10%, 15% discount on 150 products. Okay.
Mhm.
15% discount on 150 products. So I will ask, I will send a quotation. I mean, Salesforce will send a quotation to me. I will confirm that. If I am not satisfied, I will ask 15% discount so that I can buy 150 phones. um, if they are consider, sorry sir, will give 10% only, 15% is not possible. Like that they will bargain, we can bargain. After the bargain, after the discussion, the quote, the opportunity will convert into
Mhm.
quotation. um, After the quotation, it will send again to me with the prices, with the discounts, with the proper details. If everything is done with payment terms and etc, payment terms, um, bulk companies, bulk products like MNC companies and etc, they won't settle money in next minute and next second. They will purchase the next payment term, like 1 month, next 45 days, 60 days, like that it will take. So here we can get a payment term. After payment term, after quotation, the quotation will closed one, opportunity closed one, and quote also successful. It will go to, orders, invoices, and dispatchment,
Mhm.
etc. So you know everything, right? Customer, if we want to go in mobile shop and I want to purchase 150 phones, um, company will, the shop owner will get my names, like who are you, what's the purpose of 150 phones, how you can pay, like a check or DD, like that. Some After that, we are expecting 15% discount, we are purchasing 150 phones, right? Like that. So this thing we know this one. After this one, this is a basic of Salesforce, Sales Cloud. This is basic of
Mhm.
Sales Cloud,
Mhm.
like account, contact, opportunity, like this. So
Mhm.
if you already know about a Sales Cloud, it's easy to get, easy to understand CPQ. CPQ
Okay.
means CPQ stands for configuration, price, quotation. So configuration, price, quotation. If we are in Hyderabad, same Amazon phones, I mean, same Realme 5G phone, 64 GB, 19999, 19,000 in Hyderabad only, for Hyderabad.
Mhm.
64 GB, Chennai. So product is one, only one product, but prices are different. Product is only one product we have, but prices are different because in CPQ we can configure price based on the region, based on the location, like that. Because we have objects. Object means Objects means collection of fields. collection of fields. So there is do you have any idea about relationships?
Yes, yes.
So we have
It's been a long time. What's your name again? I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that at the very beginning.
Salesforce.
No, your name, sorry.
Surya.
Surya, sorry, Surya. Yeah, have an idea, but if you can touch that one more time, it's been a long time.
Okay.
And all that. It's been a while.
Yeah, okay, not an issue. So in Salesforce, we have 4 types of relationships. Okay, that is a self, lookup, many to many, hierarchy. So 4 relationships we have. Lookup means if you want to look, if you want to get any particular object data, we can go for lookup. Many to many, it means a junction object. We can get. I will discuss many to many now. Hierarchy means it's a hierarchical position, bottom to top, top to bottom. Self means within the object. Within the object, if you want to get any data, we will go for self. So in CPQ, we have 2 objects, price book and product. The relationship between product and price book is a many to many. Okay. This is a product object. This is a price book. So, for example, we have a Realme product, Redmi, Xiaomi. Yeah. Realme, Redmi, Xiaomi, Apple, they can sell across the world. So we have a US price book. We have US price book. We have Indian price book. We have a UK price book. We have others like Dubai. We can say Dubai. Dubai price book. So if I want to purchase, if I want to buy Realme phone on India, the standard price equal to $1,500, $1,500, $1,000, $1,000, $100. Okay, so this is a base currency. This is a base currency, base price. So if any country want to buy this product, this is a base currency. So one product have a multiple price books. One price book have a multiple products. You are getting my point?
Yes. So what you're saying is a Realme product can be sold in US, India, UK, and Dubai at multiple price points. Oh, sorry. At multiple price points. And what is I didn't get the second part, what you said.
Yeah, we have a US price book. US price book, Realme. If you want to buy, if you want to sell same price like a standard price 1500, we can give 1500 as a standard price. No, if we want to sell more than price book, more than a standard price, like there is a high demand, so we want to sell it more. Realme 2000 rupees. In India there is no demand, there is no demand, so they are selling 50% off, so that's why Realme $1000 only.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So, so Satish, I'm just asking you this question and while you're typing. Um, so let's say, so basically, if without Salesforce, we are still doing this, right? When we log on to any website, let's say, um, what is that, Flipkart,
Mhm.
we have a product in Flipkart. So let's say a rocking chair that you see in Flipkart. That product is also available in Flipkart India, and it's also available in Flipkart US, and it's also available in Flipkart Dubai. You know, the Flipkart website. I don't know if it's in Dubai, but yeah, hypothetically. So when it's available in three different places, the pricing is also different in three different places. So normally, if we do that using connections, right? If it's not, if Flipkart is a big company, if you're having a small company, what they do is, let's say if this rocking chair is sold for $100 in US, they do a price conversion, $100, 7,500 rupees. In India, they might be selling it that, I mean, not generally, right? But within Salesforce, you can also set, you can also sell it for, if there is a
Yes, we
thousand
have a
rupees.
multi currency option, so that we can get multi currency actual exchange rate. So like that, for example, 1 second.
Mhm. And did my question make sense?
Yes, yes, I understand.
I'm just trying to relate. Mm.
See, as I said, we can give a standard price. We can give a standard price is equal to $75, but in India A4 sheet has some demand, so we can give a list price equal to $150. We can modify the this price, list price. If we don't want to modify this one, defaultly we can, if we need to standard price, there is a standard price check button, is standard price book check button, checkbox. If am enabling, yes, price book, so, uh, while creating a price book, it will display is standard price book checkbox. If we enable this checkbox, it will defaultly consider as standard price. We can't able to change that price. So
Oh, okay.
we are discussing about
Got it. So you
products.
can change the prices like we did earlier, right? In different countries we
Yes,
have.
yes,
Okay.
products.
So what version of Salesforce is this?
That means
Do we have any versions in Salesforce
uh,
version?
there is no versions here.
Uh-huh.
It will update frequently. So
Okay. So when you say price book, can we get into like, basics? I'm just trying to understand that part. So what is all included in the price book?
price book consist of I will let me create a product, sample product.
Mm-hmm.
Sample product should be active. Um,
When you say product code, is this the SKU thing or is it the
it's a
barcode presenting?
SKU thing also we have. We can categorize like for example, we have a product name equal to in real time we have a 144 slash like that, right? So in product code we will simplify using two keywords or three keywords with icons, so we can easily query that thing.
Okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
So as an admin, do you need to, for a particular company, when you're setting up the product code, is there I believe there must be a rule book that this is the format, or can we set it up the way we want? When you're
I didn't get. See, you can see product name equal to 2255061 like this, like that.
Mhm.
But when we want to query in background, sometimes we need to query using SQL queries in developer console, like in DevOps. So
Mhm.
by using every time 225 slash like that, it will consider space also a character.
Mhm.
So it will take some time, like it will take some time to work, and it might be some error if any user missing spaces, and like so product code will be simplified like one word code. This is a unique code. This is a unique code when G1059131 DJ, if any user want to replace with 1919259, it will go to another product, so
Okay.
no need to
So
enter
I
every
think,
time.
yeah, I
Yeah.
think my question is that code automatically generated by Salesforce, or do
No,
we buy those codes from
we
some
need to
other?
we need to manual, we need to enter manual.
Oh, okay.
Is a it's our requirement, right? So we need to give
Mhm.
manual.
Mhm. Okay.
So this is a sample product. As we discussed, this is a apple phone. But let's assume I'm giving standard price equal to list standard price equal to $1,000, $1,500. there is I can't able to enable use standard price because there is no standard price right earlier.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I can't able to select this one. I
Okay.
am
And
giving
a quick
standard price.
question. Sorry to interrupt you.
Yes.
What's the pink folder? Yeah, that pink thing, symbol next to the price book. Is that some kind of a file or something?
Which one? This one?
Yes, that. Oh, it's just
That's icon only. That's icon.
okay.
So
Yeah, here. Is it some kind of
uh,
a file that you upload when you say standard price book? Is that an Excel file or
which one? It's a just
price
icon
book?
only.
Just
It's
an
a just
icon
icon.
and you're just typing in. Okay, it's a field.
Yes,
Okay.
it's just icon.
Okay, got it.
It's a just icon. So uh, we are entering 150 $1,500 into that price. We have actually I'm working in 3 different projects, so I'm checking
Oh,
multi-currency where it
okay.
available.
So yeah, are you working as well?
Yes,
Oh, okay. Nice. So how long have you been working on Salesforce?
5 years.
5 years. Okay. So you might
Under yeah,
applications.
in setup we have a company setting. Under company setting we can get a manage currencies. Manage dated exchange rates.
Uh-huh.
See, um, in this organization, in this Salesforce org, we enable three different currencies: South African rands, US dollars, and euros. uh, my company is a South African company, so we consider a South African as a currency exchange rate. We will consider, for example, we are in India, right? We are in India,
Mm-hmm.
so every currency compare with Indian currency.
Mm-hmm.
One euro equal to how many rupees? 1 euro equal, 1 USD equal to how many rupees? One
Yeah.
rand equal to how many rupees? Like that we can consider with rupees. Consider with rupees we need to exchange. So like that South African rand, we will convert currency. Yes, July, as on July 8th of July, the exchange rate, one South African rand equal to $0.06, and
Mm-hmm.
one South African rand equal to 0.059 euros. When a customer want to purchase, any customer want to purchase euros, like he's in United Kingdom, like that, he's in USD currency. He The price book already we have already defined US price book. So if I log in as a US customer, price book, all price books will display with US prices.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
It-
Yeah. Yeah, I got that.
Mhm. See, we'll go for April 13. Pro Max. See, in India, we have the Apple iPhone 13 Pro 128 GB, 1,07,900 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
If a customer who want to buy in US, he want to buy in US currency, the price equal to 1039 only.
Mm-hmm.
Based on the price book, based on the region, price will change.
Yeah.
You got the point?
Yes, yes.
Any doubt till now?
No, no, it's clear. So the same product we are showing with different pricings, and that's the setting that we made within Salesforce.
Yes,
Oh,
using multi currencies.
manage multiple currencies.
Yes. We have discussed about currencies, right? So after we need for CPQ, it's not available when you you need to create a Salesforce ID, right? Salesforce
Mhm.
username password. So after creating Salesforce org, we CPQ is not come default. We need to install CPQ package. It's a managed package. So after installing CPQ package, we need to do some changes like page layout changes. So it will work. It will work fine. Else it won't work as we expect. So after installing CPQ package, we need to do some changes like page layout changes, etc.
Mhm.
After that, we can configure some products. You know how many products we have? Do you have any idea?
Oh, I mean, is the question to me?
Yes.
Okay, how many products do we
How
have?
many types? How many types of products?
What do you mean when you say products?
Um, in Salesforce, we can create three different types of products:
Okay.
individual, bundle, service.
Okay.
So individual means individual products.
Individual is the single product. Bundle is you're mixing up. I mean,
Combination.
bundling the
Combination.
products and bundling it up.
Yes.
Services, I don't know.
Services means it's not a physical product like Amazon Prime, Netflix,
Oh, okay. Got it.
Geo, Geo recharges, broadband recharges like that.
Okay.
We can't feel this is a not physical product, but
Mm-hmm.
we can still use them. It's a service
Okay.
product, and
Mm.
bundle means combination of products. Like if you want to purchase any iPhone 13, so
Mhm.
if you want to purchase any iPhone, it will give 1 second. We can get one phone, one tempered glass, headset, and charger, cable, data cable, etc. It's all included with this uh, this iPhone box.
Mhm.
Uh, did you bought any phones or laptops earlier?
Yes.
You can check on the box. It will contains one phone, one tempered glass, one headset, one charger, one data cable. Like that, it will explain.
Uh-huh. This was long time back. Now we don't get anything.
Yeah. Okay. So if I want to buy another data cable, um, for example, if I want to buy iPhone box, it will give these all products like iPhone tempered glass, headset, charger, data cable. Both are included. included. So price are equal to 0, price equal to 0, but it will give a parent product. We are giving $10,000 for box. In that box, we will get a phone, temperature glass, headset, charger, data cable included in parent bundle product. If if I want to purchase another data cable, it's a $15 worth. So if I want to buy another product outside the bundle, product price is $15. I think you didn't understand. It will I can explain it.
No, I got it. Yeah, I understand. So what you're trying to say is within the bundle product they give you for at a certain price. If it's outside that bundle, obviously it will be an extra amount that we need to pay, and that which is $15 or $20.
Yes,
Extra.
yes, exactly. So we have a product rules. We have some different types of product rules and custom actions. So we have a product rules and price rules. Product rules means we will discuss in real time. Did you face any scenario like we have in Salesforce, we have 4 types of product rules: selection, validation, filter, alert. Did you face any scenario like you can see I am just selecting a random product. I just selected random product, but I didn't select these 3 check boxes. Did you see? I didn't check these 3 check boxes, but when I want when I click this product, it will defaultly check. It will defaultly check. I don't want this product. I can disable. If I want this product, I can enable, but defaultly it will check.
Oh, okay.
It's a
It's also giving relative products that can also ship faster within that duration
yes, exactly.
or similar.
Yeah, it's a just a overview. It's just a
Okay.
overview I'm saying. So
Okay.
don't worry about functionality. Just overview. So these in product rules, we have a selection. Selection means if I want to buy any product, if I want to buy this product, it will select. We can select different products. We up to 10, up to 30, like that. We can select some products, including this product. We can enable, disable them. See, you can see 47,998, 28,999.
Okay, a
So
quick
we can.
question.
Mhm.
Sorry to interrupt you. So those OnePlus Nord, okay, so those are phones too. The Redmi Note 10s, that's another phone.
Yes, 3 mobiles.
Okay, 3 mobiles. But why is it only showing 3 mobiles? Have you checked that somewhere else to show only 3 options?
No, I will select another product. Mm, Sometimes it will give a headset like that. See this item Redmi 10A with Redmi 9A. 10 equal to 9,499. This is 6,999.
Okay.
We can enable disable if we don't need. So
Okay.
selection equal to
That's
selection means we can
okay.
enable disable.
Okay.
Validation validation means, for example, we bought two mobiles. We bought two mobiles, two phones. For two mobiles, we can get insurance, right?
Mm-hmm.
Insurance, mobile
Warranty.
insurance,
Uh-huh.
warranty insurance like that.
Right.
Warranty, we will create a service product. Okay, so one phone equal to one insurance. So two phones, I bought two mobiles. How many insurance I need to add? Two
Two insurance.
insurance. So two phones, I bought two phones, but I I entered three insurance, three warranty. It's not possible, right? So
Mm-hmm.
it will throw error. Um,
Mm.
warranty should be less than warranty should be less than phones, less than or equal to phones. Warranty should be less than or equal to phones. So if warranty greater than phones, it will fire an error. We need to create a condition using this criteria. So filter is also, filter means it's a dynamic bundle. We can get data from across the products, across the price book. Yeah, it will take a 1 hour class, so I will discuss it later. Each topic it will take up to 1 hour. Like a selection, it will take a 40 minutes. Validation 40 minutes, filter 40 minutes, like that. ELT.
Mm-hmm.
ELT is also equal to validation. Alert and validation both are same, but in validation we need to solve that error. We need to change the we need to satisfy the error. Like two phones equal to three warranty, we need to modify, we need to change the error, then it will fine. But in validation, in error, it won't, it will just give in pop-up. Are you sure you are buying three insurances for two phones?
Right. Right.
Just alert only.
Alert
But
message.
validation,
Okay.
it won't enable
Mhm.
to what to say save. We cannot save here.
Okay.
In alert we can save. We
Okay.
can, it's a just alert pop-up.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm, that's about product rules. Earlier we discussed about the standard price book, like so. That price book price book entry price is a list price.
Mm-hmm.
$1,000 for Apple phone, and cost plus markup. um,
So in CPQ, do we need to use any bar charts, pie chart, or things like those to come in to analyze all these pricing and all that within Salesforce?
We have a reports and dashboards, but
Mhm.
there is no specific reason to use, but some it's based on requirement. How to say? It's based on requirement.
Mm.
Um, See, Renault Quid. I want to buy a Renault Quid car. X showroom price equal to 4,64,400.
Mhm.
This is the X showroom price. So if I on road, it is around 5,18,000. So it's including RTO, insurance,
Insurance
others,
and others, right?
and additional. Additional
Mhm.
is a checkbox.
Warranty. Okay.
Yes, additional is optional is a checkbox. We can add or enable or disable, like a
Okay.
selection. We just as a selection, right? Like that.
Uh-huh.
So, if I want to buy this product, if I want to buy this product, um, this price is list price. This price is a list price. With this list price, there is a RTO product. We need to create a RTO product that is based on prices, like based on percentage. On for like 64,000, we can give a 10%, 20%, like, and insurance also 10%,
Okay.
20%, like that.
Got
So
it.
including all products, including other RTO, insurance, others, and etc.
Mhm.
This is the final price.
Okay.
And block price. Blocks 1, 2.
But when you say markup, ideally that should also include the profit also, right? When you're selling it.
It's not about profit, cost plus additional amount, you can
Okay.
say.
Okay. And maybe that's additional cost. Okay.
Yes,
Cost.
additional.
Okay.
That's why I showed this example.
Got it. Got it. Yeah. Makes sense.
Except this one, we don't have any markups, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because phones and etc. It will come final price only.
Mm.
Yeah,
We,
this for cars only we can get additional prices, like cost plus markup.
oh, okay.
So block price is equal. Block price means if a customer want to buy 1 to 10 products, 1 to 10 products, $100.
Mm-hmm.
Even he bought one product or 10 products, price equal to $100.
Mm-hmm.
And customer want to buy 11 to 20. This
Okay.
is a n
Price
minus
reduction.
1 formula.
Mm-hmm.
N minus 1 means upper bound. I mean, sorry, upper bound minus 1. Upper bound equal to 11. So upper bound minus 1 equal to 10. It will consider formula n minus 1. 1 to 10, 1 to 10 products, $100. 11 to 20 products,
20.
$75. 21 to $30, 30
30.
products, $50. And 31 or more, even he bought 100 products, we can give $25.
Okay.
if
Okay.
we if a customer want to 25 products, we'll give $25, $50 each. 50 into 25 products.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Percent of total. Percent of total means we can say Zomato example. I bought an one plate idli. one dosa, one vada. So total 150 rupees. Base. So after 150 rupees, tip 10% tip. There is an option equal to 10%, 15% tip.
Mm-hmm.
So based on the other products amount, we can give percent of total. Based on three products, based on the three products, 150 rupees, tip equal to 15 rupees. So total 165 rupees. You got it?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Sure? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So based on the other product total, we can give a percent of total, and block based on the block range, we can give a block product block price, and cost plus markup. We discussed about cars, and list price we already discussed about a standard price and list price. So product rules.
Mm-hmm. So that was CPQ, the one that we just did.
Which one?
The one that we just spoke about, block price, and
Yes, this is a pricing only.
this is the pricing. Okay, so I just wanted to know a little more. What do you do within CPQ? What are we supposed to do?
In real time, you are saying.
Huh?
I didn't get your point.
No, I would like to look at the CPQ part of it, trying to understand what is the setup that we need to do for CPQ in terms of configuration at a high level. What are we doing? Let's say for a particular
Yeah. That's what I'm
we need to
saying.
set up the configuration, pricing. I don't want the details how to do it, but what are we doing? How do we do the quote and all that? What are the tools that we have?
Yeah, I said right. It's a 1 hour duration course. It will take a 1 hour. Just I already create some products and etc.
Okay.
I try to
Sure, Suresh.
Surya
Oh, Surya, sorry. Okay.
IT product. This is a bundle product.
I think Suresh was my instructor who was supposed to come in my previous class, but something happened, network issue or something, and that call didn't happen. So I got mixed up there. Sorry about that.
Yeah. Okay. Not an issue. So we have I have configured different types of products. This is IT professional pack is a parent bundle product. Just one second. I'm not sure which product I have created. Block price. So or else I will create. I'm not sure about this one. Mhm. See, 1 to 10, lower 1, upper 11.
I'm sorry,
So
what is this? Can you just tell me what we are doing here?
yes, I'm just blocking. I we
Okay.
discussed about 1 to 11, 11
Uh-huh.
to, right?
Uh-huh.
Um, I'm just giving prices names. So
Okay.
lower bound 11, upper bound 21, $75. If a customer want to buy between 11 to 21, 11 to
Okay.
20, price equal to 75. And
Okay. Got it.
20 to 30, 21, 31, 50, 20 to 31,
Mhm.
30 or more, 31. We can leave it as empty.
Okay. So that's infinity.
Yes, infinity. Uh,
Okay.
25.
Okay. So this is how you set up block prices.
Yes. Okay. Air freshener we have, right? See, pricing method. Pricing method. We need so air freshener equal to block price. And
Surya, can I have a question here? Um,
yes,
so let me ask you this way. So I understand that here we are trying to, we are trying to create a product, and then we are trying to see how we can set up product rules. We just touch the block rule at this point, how we can set up and what are the pricing. So my question to you is, how do we initially identify this price? Like you said, it is $75, right? What are we doing? How did we configure that price? So this CPQ is all about pricing, configuration, and all that. Do we need to actually, analyze how we are coming up with this number? Is there a model, a mathematical model around that? Do we do that within this? I mean, once you decide it's 75, we know where to set up and all that, right?
Actually, in real time scenario, they will send price books with the prices.
Mm-hmm.
Like for example, client will send details across with the price book, prices, products, and the module. Like we discussed about pricing methods, right? List, cost plus markup. Like so, they will discuss that thing also. Everything will be on ticket only.
Mm-hmm.
Everything on ticket only. They will discuss. So Surya, I actually my prospect is this one. List this is a cost price. We need to add 30% on actual product like a cost plus markup. So whenever customer want to buy this product, we need to increase 30% more. Like that they said. So we can use cost plus markup as a pricing method. And another
Okay.
product they will say this is a list price. No need to change any specific currency. We
Mm.
can leave it as it is, so we can use list price pricing
Okay.
method list price. So
So,
and
mhm,
another product we have a percent of total. So for example, they say minimum 30 minimum 3000, minimum $3,000 we need to purchase. Then uh, air freshener cost will equal to 30% on the total price. For example,
mhm,
I bought a $3,000.
mhm,
$3,000. Let's say Reliance Trends,
mhm.
did you went any Reliance Trends?
Reliance, I went to a Reliance store, which was a grocery store. That's all I know.
Trends showroom, cloth,
Sorry, I can't hear you. There is a voice break. Can you repeat that again, please?
cloth showroom, Reliance Trends.
Oh, Reliance Trends. Yeah.
So in Reliance Trends, there is a offer like you bought around 7,000 or more, you
Mm-hmm.
can pay 50% on total amount.
Okay.
If I purchase 7,000, I can
Uh-huh.
pay 3,500 only.
50%. Okay.
50%.
Uh-huh.
And there is sometimes there is an offer like if I buy
Mm.
7,000,
Mm-hmm.
I will get an offer like one flasco, one college bag, rice cooker, like that.
Mm. Okay.
That is additional.
Okay.
In Reliance perspective, we can consider that cooker, college bag. It is a bundle product, bundled.
Okay. Okay.
That means price is not included.
Got it. Got
So
it.
uh,
So
we
again,
can.
I think I'll roll back to the same thing. So we
Mhm.
are not deciding, or we are not doing any mathematical models or any kind of statistical analysis to come up with the cost price of the product, right? How much should the company sell with? We are only receiving information from another pricing team.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so within Salesforce, we are not doing anything of that sort, because when I saw the CPQ, I thought we are also doing all that.
uh, we need exact details like percents. For example, in India, GST is 18%. Like in abroad also, there might be 28% or 5%. We don't know, right? They will give exact data like 15% tax on UK, 18% tax on India,
Mhm.
5% tax on UK. Like that, they will send the details accordingly.
Mm.
So
Okay,
by using the detail, we can implement
we can set.
price.
Okay, okay.
So coming to block prices, I'm calculating one product equal to list price. Here, Krishna, okay. Mhm. $1,000. Customer. I entered $1,000. So
1 to 10. Okay.
that's why I'm checking on like
Mm.
coming $100 instead of 1,000. It's instead of 100.
So, Surya, during the training program, will I be given access to the sandbox environment, Salesforce?
Yes, we it's an open source only.
Mm-hmm.
I will send details. There is a
Okay.
developer.salesforce.com.
Okay.
I will mention on chat.
Uh-huh.
You can go to this link and create a sign up button.
Mm-hmm.
You will get a access for Salesforce.
Okay.
Actually,
Do we need to
yes.
So do we need to pay anything for the usage? How much?
This is an open source. You
Oh,
don't need to pay anything for
okay.
a
So we can.
license. Yeah, for licenses like a organization wise, we need to pay. This is a individual only, so no need to pay anything
Oh, okay.
for practice purpose. Yes,
Practices purposes. Okay.
yes, fine. Yeah, till now, any doubts? Do you have
No,
any?
I mean, thank you so much. You very clearly, very nicely explained, the basics of Salesforce related to admin, all these different aspects of what we are doing there. And good thing is we also touched base on CPQ, on the product rules and all that. I now, this part is good, but I'm just trying to understand, can we squeeze all the Salesforce within a 40-hour training, right? It is 35 or 40 hours training period, Salesforce CPQ. Will that be good by the end of it? What are the expectations? What do you?
Can you please repeat it?
Oh, sure. So what I meant to say is the Salesforce training is scheduled as a 40-hour training, I suppose. I could be wrong. I'm not sure if it's 35
Yes.
or 40 hours. So what I'm trying to understand, what are the expectations out of this course? In the sense, what will I receive at the end of the course? What am I coming out of it in terms of, yeah, will I be ready for my Salesforce certification or things like that? What is the
So so after the course, you can say I have worked on some uh, I will give some I will see I will suggest some projects, so you can put it on your resume. Like for example, yeah, I have worked on Amazon. I have created bundle products and standalone products, and I have worked on pricing methods. So Amazon is a big company, so we implemented multi currencies and multi currencies with different price books. We have around 50 20 price books with different prices, and I have implemented on different pricing methods and pricing methods and product rules. Let's say under two pricing methods, I have worked on list cost plus markup, percent of total, and block prices, and I have implemented on that. And uh, I have worked on product rules also. Let's say selection, validation, filter, alert. I have worked on this. um, I have implemented some, if any customer want to purchase any Redmi mobile or Apple iPhone, I included some accessories like a data cable, tempered glass, and charger pouch, etc., included within the bundle. That's and there is a there is a checkbox, bundle checkbox. I selected the bundle checkbox, so that's why it's going to free of cost. Like that, we need to see.
Okay.
And there is a lot of exposure. Like I have worked on amendments, contracts amendments, and services renewals, MDQ, Q2C, and etc. There is a lot of
So Surya, will I be learning all these things, how to set up all these things within the 40-hour training period
yes.
that we covered? Okay.
But in any training person, any freelancer, any person, they will explain 15 to 20% only, I can say. But 80% you need to practice. 80% you need to practice.
What
Yeah,
kind of support will you be giving during that period in terms of like, see now?
I will give a scenarios.
Uh-huh.
I will give a scenarios with tasks. Like we just discussed about block price, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can create you can create a product like A4 sheet, A4 sheet or something. You can create a
Mm-hmm.
list. You can create a block ranges like 1 to 10, 10 to 20, 30, 40. Like I want to buy a 5 products, 5 items, 5 numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Price equal to something. I will I will debug it later. You need to work on that task,
Okay, got it.
and that pricing methods, product rules, and amendments, etc. No need to worry. I can say only one thing: you need to practice until you get success. Because I can say I will say uh, scenarios as my perspective only, right? So if you work on if you practice yourself, you can get more ideas, more doubts, so that your knowledge will be increased.
Okay. One more thing, Surya. We have Workday and all that, right? So how is Salesforce different from Workday? Do you have any idea of that?
Workday.
Workday, that's also a CRM tool. Just trying to understand.
I'm not sure about Workday
Yeah, don't mind. That's okay. So when they say Salesforce CPQ specialist, okay, this is
certification.
yeah, no, Salesforce CPQ specialist job requirement.
Okay.
So this is what they are doing, is it? Pricing rules, setting up the rules and the block rules, the schedules, and all these things.
You're asking?
For a job requirement, let's say it's a Salesforce.
Actually, it's a requirement will change based on position, like based on the company also. Some companies,
Mhm.
I got a email yesterday. They're they're looking for Salesforce admin with integration experience, with Apex experience, with 2 years experience into development. How it possible for a admin? So it's it will change on based on requirement, based on company. So no need to worry. But I will say one thing. Until you know everything, like what is bundles, what is products, how many types of products, these product rules, price rules, amendments, these are all are basics. In real time, you won't work on everything in 40 hours, but you need to have an idea about it.
Correct. So when you're doing the Salesforce, you just said we need configuration experience with Epics and all these things. So are there jobs only for Salesforce, or will they be asking, like you said, they'll be asking for other experience as well, right? Just doing Salesforce CPQ really help? Or do we need to have more experience with other technologies as well?
Yeah, actually, if you know Salesforce well, like what is what around, if you work on Salesforce around 1 to 5 months, only Salesforce, that would be really helpful for you, because in Salesforce admin you can get details, like you can get information like what is objects, standard objects, different between standard and custom objects, and uh, the applications, and reports, dashboards, approvals, process builder, workflows, profiles, roles, users, and etc. The IP ranges, set IP settings, security tokens, and etc. These are all are going to admin only. So if you know about it, you can apply for CPQ position or admin position, etc. That will helpful for you, because if you don't know what is account, you got a CPQ position. If you there will be a chance to work on account object, like account management or case management, contact management. You will face an issues like you don't have any idea, right? So start building experience on Sales Cloud also. It's better for you.
Sales Cloud.
That's a open source only.
You mean Sales Cloud? You mean Salesforce admin?
In Salesforce, we have Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Community, and etc. like that. So if you open Sales, I will quickly share my screen. See, this is a sales application, Sales Cloud. These are leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, campaigns, and etc. So or else we will do one thing. After session starts, I will give an assignments to basic admin also. Is it okay for you?
Yeah, that's fine. And will you be sharing any the class material, or do you have any blogs that I can look at, or are there any other open source you want to recommend?
Satish will send.
Oh, okay. Because I think it's more important, right? After we are done with the class, all that information.
Yes, I agree.
I might get lost while creating certain things. So, yeah.
Yes, this person will send.
Okay, I'll check with Satish.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Surya. I think this was really useful for me to decide and for me to even look at Salesforce UI. I haven't even had done that. So thank you so much for giving me the initial glimpse.
Mhm.
This really helps for me to decide, what to do with it. So yeah, I think I will get back to Satish. I'll talk to him, and I think he'll probably let you know.
Yes. Fine.
Okay.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah. So just quick thing, Surya. So are you an instructor in the institute? Are you also working on Salesforce at this point?
Earlier, 2 3 days earlier, I joined in this institution. I
Uh-huh.
have 5 years experience into Salesforce. Currently I'm working on it.
Oh,
That's why
okay.
I'm sharing my screen, right? That is a
Uh-huh.
live work sandboxes.
Oh, okay. I thought you were sharing that open source thing, that link
No,
that
no,
you.
no. That's my organization. That's why I
Oh, okay.
enabled multi currencies, right?
Ah, okay, okay. All right, got
Yes.
it. All right, Surya. Thank you. You take care, and I'll touch base with you soon.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay. Take care. Bye bye.
Have a good day. Thank you.
You too.